Hello, welcome to my kitchen. And this is Yemizkitchen, where I cook authentic African dishes, African menu with all American ingredients. In light of the season, Merry Christmas in advance and Happy New Year in advance too. We are making a lots of menu and recipe for the season. In my house during Christmas and New Year season, we make spice chocolate milk. We take it up a notch. So I'm going to show you what we like to do in my house for our Christmas. During the Christmas holiday when my children are home, we do this. So you're going to be needing any kind of chocolate milk powder. We are using Swiss chocolate milk powder. We are using Hershey syrup and milk by itself. What do you have to do? Just it depends on your taste. Do it to your taste. So I have the caramel topping, chocolate topping, honey. I have vanilla if you want to put vanilla in it, and I have cocoa and cinnamon. So it's up to you, whatever you want to use to top your chocolate milk. So I'm going to put some water in the pot, then my half and half to make it richer. Shh, that's a secret. If you want your chocolate milk to be richer during the holiday, put some half and half in it. Don't worry about the calories. Then my milk. Then my Swiss chocolate powder. I'm going to let it boil a little bit. Then the start of the ingredient, a pinch, depending on what you can tolerate, a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Yes, you had me, cayenne pepper. It is very nutritional. It's an antioxidant. It takes it up a notch. If you want to make this elaborate, let's say you have a guest, put your grazing in it, like any kind of cakes, bagels on the side, peanut like I put on my own, crackers like I said, cheeses on the side, just something light for them to graze while they drink the chocolate milk. And that's it. That's just it. It's a simple recipe called spiced chocolate milk. So tell me, what's your culture in your house? What do you do during Christmas in your house? During the Christmas in my house, a week or 2 weeks before Christmas in my house, I try with the children to make something special. When they were younger, we cooked together, we bake, every day we bake something different. So what do you do special prior to Christmas in your house? It's not Christmas Day yet, but I try to make it, since they're on holiday, I make it exciting for them so that they'll have something to do. So it's a project that we really enjoy doing together. My niece is here, and we had a great time. So this is finally completed. I am pouring my chocolate milk in my mug or my cup. And you see how I'm doing it. I put the chocolate milk first. Then my whipped cream. A pinch of cinnamon. You don't have to do this. Caramel, a drip of caramel, then my chocolate, my crushed chocolate. I'm just trying to make it bougie, elegant. You don't have to do this. You drink it straight. But we have fun with it in my house. So my children designed it the way they want to design it. They designed their chocolate milk the way they want to design it. So that's why they have all the toppings and the grazing around. This, if they want to snack on anything, they like crackers and they like biscuits. Anyway, having said that, I really hope you enjoyed this. If you have enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, follow me on my social media. Don't forget to interact, subscribe, like, share, and press the notification bell so that every time I make another episode of anything on Yemizkitchen, you can be notified. Thank you so much for what you do. We love you. Thank you for being a member of our family, Yemizkitchen family. We love you. God bless you. Merry Christmas in advance. Stay blessed, and don't forget, happiness is a choice. Choose to be happy. Choose to see the glass half full all the time. Be happy. Choose to be happy. And stay safe. Drive carefully. Love your family, because it's only one life to live during this Christmas. Merry Christmas, Yemizkitchen.
Gourmet hot chocolate from Yemizkitchen. Toppings include hot fudge, caramel, whipped cream, honey, and coconut. Now introducing the main star of this cast, spicy chocolate milk, made with Swiss Miss, Hershey's chocolate syrup, and milk, provided by you by Cow. Accompaniment by 2 biscuits, and comes in both pitcher and pitcher flavor. Now, over to the spice. All these different types of chocolate and that cayenne,
Chocolate
you know?
topper. This is cinnamon.
Oh, cinnamon, that's not cayenne.